Happy Wednesday. It is Wednesday, Wednesday. Today is Wednesday when we hop our arrow over. One more. It is Wednesday, May 19th today. Wednesday, May 19th. Let's take a look at our chain. We have 5 chains left. 5. Take away 1. We only have 4 days left. 5. Take away 1 equals 4. It's not very many at all. No, only 4 more days. I know you guys are ready, but I'm going to miss you a lot. Okay, analog, digital. Let's show 4:30. 4:30. Where will our hour hand point? Where should that minute hand point? 4:30. I forgot to write it on my digital clock. Got ahead of myself. Did you put your minute hand all the way down at the 6? 4:30. So our hour hand is in between our 4 and our 5. 4:30. We also say it as 4:30. 4:30 or 4:30 if we're showing it on our digital. We can still say 4:30 for our analog, but digital really helps us out because it shows that time so nicely. Okie dokie. Let's take a look at what our number is today. We've been having 3-digit numbers. Today's number is 100. And what? I see a 1. I see a 0. That 1 does tell me 100. 0, 10, so it is 107. 107. If you were listening closely, I might have just given you the answers to how many hundreds, tens, and ones are in that number. 107. About what our place value tells us. How many hundreds? How many tens? How many ones? Did you say there was 100? 0 tens? 7 ones? So what would that look like with base 10 blocks? How would we show 100? Draw a big square for 100 and then 7 more ones. Since we have 0 tens, we don't need any of our tens. 107. There would be our expanded form, 100 plus 7. Okay, our number is 107. We think about 1 less. It's the number that comes right before it. 107. 1 less would be like taking 1 away. That is 106. Okay, what would we get if we added 1 more? 106, 107. Did you say 108? Okay, let's think of that 10 less. If you've got your 120 chart close, it can help you out. But we can also think about it, right? 10 less is like taking a group of 10 away. Well, we know 100 has 10 tens that we put together, but we can think about those groups of 10 and take one away. So then we would have 9 tens now. Still have our 7 one, so 10 less is 97, but 10 more, we would get to keep our group of 100, add a 10, and then have our 7. 117 would be 10 more than our number. All right. We know we only have 4 more days left. Yesterday, we had 161 days of first grade. We're going to add 1 more. So if we have 161 plus 1 more, what is 1 plus 1? Equals 2. So we have 2 ones now. We still have our 6 tens and 100. So 161 plus 1, we have 162. That means we need to add 1 more. 160, 161. 1 more will get us 162. Adding that yummy swirly ice cream. 162. Okay, let's take a look at our piggy bank. How much money is in our piggy bank? I like starting with my 25 and going 10 more. Okay, so 25. 10 more gets me to 35. Then I needed 3 more. 1, 2, 3. So that shows me 38. Now over here I do see 3 dimes, 1 nickel, and 3 pennies. Okay, we can totally count by tens. We could say 10, 20, 30, then 5 more, 35, 3 more, 1, 2, 3, 38. We do. It agrees. In our piggy bank we have 38 cents. 25, 35, 36, 37, 38, 10, 20, 30. If we know 5 and 3 is 8, then we could even just say 38. We have a few ways of figuring that out. Okay. But we're not done yet. We have a fact family. Okay, I've got 10 and 6 is 1. Well, one part is 10, one part is 6. What would our total be? 10 and 6. We know that. 10, 6 is 16. 16, okay. Think about those parts and their total. How could we make that into a fact family? Give you a little bit of time. Think about addition equations. We have our turnaround facts. Subtraction. Total. Take away a part to find the difference. That other part that is left. About 5 more seconds. Then we'll check it out together. Okay, so we know our total was 16. 10 and 6 were our parts. I started with 10 on mine, so I said 10 plus 6 equals 16, and it's turnaround fact. Now I have 6 plus 10 equals 16. Take away starts with my total. Take away total. 16 take away 6. 10 is left. It equals 10. Or 16 take away 10. 6 is left. We made a fact family. Nice work. See you tomorrow for Thursday calendar.